Today, guys, I want to take a look at this Wahl Peanut Cordless Clipper Trimmer. It's their model number 8663. I bought this off of Amazon for $69. Now, I'm not a big fan of anything that's rechargeable. Obviously, your cell phone, we have no choice. But there are so many things that I will not buy when they're rechargeable. I still like the old-fashioned battery because when it conks out, you can put a brand new one in immediately. But this Wahl version takes batteries that are the exact same size as AA's. And you do get two rechargeable batteries that come with it. But again, I love the fact that I can throw in my regular batteries, and when they go out, just dispose of them and put in a brand new battery. And I'm not new to the Wahl brand. Here is the Peanut in the corded version. I've had this thing for a very long time. Now, you do get this charger for the supplied batteries, and I've not charged them yet. So let's put the batteries in. Positive goes towards the top here. Got a nice door that closes. As to accessories, you get some clipper oil, which I have my own. It's another brand, no big deal, but they give you just a little bit here. And then you also get a brush to clean out the razor head. You get this cover that fits over the clipper blades. You put it over the clipper head like that, and then you push down, and this does fit very tight, just like that. And then just come up from behind, pull it loose, take it off. Now, you do get these cutting guides, 4 of them, and from left to right you have 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and then 1/2 inch. And these guides will go on the exact same way that the blade guard cover went on. Slip that on like that, push, that locks your guide on, and then simply pull back and it's off. And you will get an operator's manual, some information on the batteries that come with it, and also information on the blades telling you that they do test them. So let's take a look at the actual razor. I really like this thing. Works great. You don't have the cord to maneuver. Fits great in the hand. Easy to hold with just several fingers when you're trimming. Very nice. And this is your on-off switch. On, off. As to the battery compartment, you have this cap that rotates. You'll notice that you've got a line here. It says open. On the back side you see a line. And you see this shorter line? You have 2 of them. That shorter line, all you got to do is look for that shorter line on the cap, line it up with the groove here. Doesn't matter if it's 180 degrees. They're both the same. They will fit. Push it on, and rotate it, and now that locks the cap on. We also see that it has embossed on it which way that battery goes in. Now for cleaning or replacement of the cutting head, it's very simple, and it's actually, this cutting head will fit on my old corded unit. And so all you have to do is come up here like this and push on it, and it comes apart. And then obviously what I do is I always make sure that I put the cutting oil on these different wear parts, a couple drops on here, some back here, and all the sliding parts. And then I'll blow it off periodically to keep it clean. And then to put it on, you've got this opening here. You got that little tab. Line that up. And then just simply push on. And next, guys, the reason that I ended up buying this cordless unit is because of the regular batteries that you can put in it. Regular old Duracell, AA. And when that battery goes out, I put in a new one. Nice and simple. Well, guys, I can clearly say that I really like this without the cord. Works beautifully. I'm very happy with it. I'm sure you will be too.